Hey guys, now as promised, for this term, we'll be looking at you using some videos I create to help you with bettering yourself in mathematics. So as we begin, let's look at what we actually did this week, which is the law of exponents. So this is more of a review of what we actually did conduct this week, and I'll be creating more videos for content that we'll be looking at next week. It is advisable that you look at those videos so you can prepare yourself for what is to come. So now let's begin. Exponents, as we outlined, can also be called powers or indices. And what the exponent tells us is how many times to use a number or a letter in a multiplication. So let's review what we actually have already outlined. Now starting here, we have a squared. And with that being said, what is our base? And what is our index? So remember, the base is always going to be the large part of it, so the base is 8, and the index would be what is raised to. In this case, it's 2. Now what this means is, in sentence form, 8 squared or 8 to the power 2. There's also another way you can actually write it, but let's just focus on these two as for this particular video. So what this actually tells us is we have 8 as the base, and since the power is 2, we need to actually have it twice, and they're going to be multiplying. And that's generally our answer. Now before I actually move on, let me just outline one more thing to you. This, as a reminder, because some persons were not getting this all correct, this is called the index form. That's the term that I'll be using throughout this entire topic. So let's look at another one now. Let's say here, where we have is 3 to the 4th power. So let's say what our base is, and let's say what our power is. So base is 3, and the power is 4. So that means we need to have 3 written 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're multiplying one another. So let's do a little bit of fun now. What is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3? So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. So the answer here is 81. Now,